चेत नोआ दिसम नेताजी आकना और भगत सिंह नोआ भारत दिसम कना चेत गांधी जी नौकान भारत दिसम रेना कुकमुई नेले दा नोआ को इदिकाते के टीएमसी रेन मारांग अगुआन होला 12 बजे नींद आज फेसबुक लाइव होते ते नौकाना कुकली दोहो केदाय साथे तालमा सरकार चेतान रे मारांग आफोते लगा केदाय जे नुकु दो दिसम हटिंग रेना आई कुरुमुटो दाको
15th August 2022. Today marks India's 76th Independence Day and 75 years of India's independence. As we stand on the cusp of the 76th Independence Day, it is our foremost duty to acknowledge and bow our heads in reverence to the struggle of our forefathers to win us this freedom. They had envisioned a free country where citizens can dedicate their lives for the upliftment and betterment of the nation and not to some foreign masters. Is this really the freedom that our brave forefathers laid their lives for? Ask yourself, is this Netaji's India? Is today's India Bhagat Singh's India? Is this the India that Gandhiji dreamt of? Today we are seeing a conscious attempt to blur the lines between the government and the nation. There is a tendency to pledge to a unitary idea of India, and those who fail are touted as Deshdrohis or anti-nationals. It is time that we remind them that our love for our nation is beyond any unitary ideology. Our nation has nurtured us. It has protected us. It has given us a sense of belonging. In turn, we as citizens have dedicated our lives to the nation's betterment and growth. The relationship is dialogical, which we must acknowledge and further. We do not require the seal of anyone else to prove our patriotism, especially not from the one who believe in raising our prized diversity for a monolithic idea of India. Our love for India is not some abstract idea of India. It is the people, the land, the values that make our great nation. My reverence for India is not for anyone or any idea in particular, but for the toiling citizens, the freedom fighters, and the everyday struggle to keep the idea of India alive. My nationalism is ornate with the ideas of unity, equality, fraternity. It cannot be overshadowed by the tar of hate, violence, and deprivation. What makes us Indian? The fact that we were born in this great nation, the fact we reside here. I think our connect with our nation is reborn every day when we help a fellow citizen in need, or when we celebrate our vibrant festivals together, or when we mourn together in the event of a loss, or when we break into a jubilant cheer for Team India. We might speak different languages, but we all shed a tear of joy when India wins the World Cup. We might have different tastes of cuisines, but have the same reverence for our farmers and the food grains they grow. Our attires may be different, but when we see the tricolor rise, every one of us stand in pride. It is this unity in diversity that we must preserve at all cost. No force of evil should be allowed to divide us on parochial lines. Our freedom is not some idea that is up in the air. It is the freedom to live our lives as per our choice, without causing any harm or detriment to others. Let us pledge to keep this connect with our country and our countrymen alive.